Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is Acme. 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 Acme is a noun that refers to the point at which something is at its best, most excellent, or most successful. It represents the highest standard of quality, achievement, or perfection. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The company's commitment to innovation has led it to the acme of the industry. Why acme is used in example number 1. Acme is used to indicate the pinnacle of success and excellence in business. Example number 2. The chef's culinary skills reached their acme when they won the prestigious cooking competition. Why acme is used in example number 2. Acme is employed to describe the chef's highest point of success in cooking. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.